oyud tuo. Awacho ni wanyalo timo ni smear tego gi ahero mondo anyisu ni gitimo
wacho ni kwako gi hote
magolo go tuo mar kahera en results ma chiwo chenro momi yod result kata kochiki kendo modi tuo wen adier ni chalni e mwami.
We currently have 171 health facilities, including the one that I opened last week, taking our numbers to 171. And we are screening TB in 83. And even in the others where we are not doing the screening, we are able to take samples and refer them for diagnostics in the facilities that are doing that doctors. That confirms one thing, that we are committed towards identification of TB cases in the county so that we can put our patients who contract this disease to treatment.
We really rely on the Department of Health for so many things, for nurturing our children, for ensuring our children grow up healthy, for ensuring our children are stable. And that is why I'm very happy to hear that the Mary and her team have in line an annual TB screening day in our schools. And secondly, that we have an education sensitization program that we are lining up for our teachers and our students. Now, for me, that's very important.
Invest in health to save lives, not merely investing in TB, because the issue of TB is multifaceted when it comes to managing it. It is multifaceted. You will not just be treating TB. Other diseases may weaken the patient such that when we are treating that patient, secondary factors may drift us from the initial cause and even the intended cause.